Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Walmart Photo Center? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for Walmart Photo Center. Just like that. Once you've done that, as you can see, Walmart Photo is going to pop up on the first and simply go ahead and click on that link. Now this is a page where you can purchase photos, where you can print photos, where you can print t-shirts and a lot of other products that you can think of. They also print wrapping papers, custom wrapping papers, custom pillow sheets, custom bed sheets, and many more. As you can see, if you go ahead and look around, so there's NFL blankets, NFL tape stripes, throw pillows, Apple Watch, band. You can also go ahead and look at pickups. So there's travel mugs, ceramic mugs, metal print, desktop plaque, ceramic ornament, board prints, magnets, and a lot of options that you can go ahead and check. As you can see, they also do standard 4x4, 4x6, 5x5, 5x7, 8x10 prints, and a lot of other things like specialty prints like board prints, college posters, college prints, retro prints, business printing, and a lot of options that you can go ahead and check out. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.